The last major input tab of the MSA Analyzer is the acquisition cost tab. This tab highlights the different costs associated with acquisition. These are broken up into the different high-level expense items. So you have your legal, inspection, lender fees, closing costs, escrow closing, and other costs. When it comes to the lender fees, this information is pulled directly from the debt tab we just went over. So as you update the lender fees associated with the loan, that information will be pulled over to the acquisition tab. If you're doing a syndication deal and there's any cost associated with legal, such as SEC attorney fees, closing attorney fees, that will be documented on here. You also have your closing costs, your title policy, surveys, recording. All of that can be updated on here as well. The bottom two tables are used for estimating potential cost, such as estimating lender reserves, if you have to bake that into your underwriting, as well as estimating any sponsored held reserves. Just make sure to link that amount. If you're using this table to come up with that estimation, just make sure it's included in this main acquisition cost table. And this total acquisition cost, that's the amount that's displayed on the summary tab on the acquisition cost. The 1.6 million is 4.02% of the total purchase price. Similar with the other tabs, this information is displayed in the PDF tutorial. If you have any additional questions related to the acquisition cost tab, please let us know by visiting www.msanalytica.com.